The iPhone 18 Pro dropped test files recently leaked. It would be the biggest leak since the iPhone 4. Test showcasing its design which, as expected, is nearly identical to the iPhone 17 Pro. According to Reuters News, over 200,000 files were posted on the dark web, so we could possibly get even more leaks in the coming days. The leak exposed circuit board layouts, a smaller dynamic island design, and data sheets for the upcoming 2nm A20 Pro chip. Images shared online show alleged iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max dummy units in 4 finishes: dark cherry, light blue, black, and silver. The iPhone 18 Pro models will sport a significantly smaller dynamic island cutout, measuring 13.49mm in width. The cutout on the current iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max measures 20.76mm. This translates to roughly a 35% reduction in size over the existing models. The back of the phone will be getting a more technical upgrade. Prosser claims that the main camera on the iPhone 18 Pro could include a variable aperture system. Another small but interesting adjustment could be to the camera control button. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.